Think you know the fastest, strongest, and most unique creatures on the planet? Test your animal knowledge with this wild and fun quiz. Let's see how much of a nature expert you really are. If you get 25 out of 25, then you are a genius. Ready, let's go. Question 1. Which fish can inflate like a balloon when threatened? A. Clownfish. B. Pufferfish. C. Angelfish. Answer: B. Pufferfish. Talk about blowing things out of proportion. Question 2. What is the world's largest mammal? A. African elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Sperm whale. Answer: B. Blue whale, the ocean's gentle giant. Question 3. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 8. C. 10. Answer: B. 8. Twice as many legs, double the creepy crawliness. Question 4. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? A. Camel. B. Llama. C. Horse. Answer: A. Camel. All aboard the Desert Express.
If you got the first 4 correct, like the video.
Question 5. Which animal holds the title of fastest bird in the world? A. Golden eagle. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Ostrich. Answer: B. Peregrine falcon. It's the rocket of the bird world. Question 6. What kind of animal is a Komodo dragon? A. Snake. B. Crocodile. C. Lizard. Answer: C. Lizard. Not a real dragon, but close enough. Question 7. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Answer: C. 3. Triple the love. Question 8. What is the main food that pandas eat? A. Bamboo. B. Grass. C. Leaves. Answer: A. Bamboo. Pandas are basically bamboo enthusiasts. Question 9. Which mammal is the largest primate? A. Gorilla. B. Orangutan. C. Chimpanzee. Answer: A. Gorilla. King of the jungle in every sense.
If you made it this far, hit the like button.
Question 10. Which bird is famous for delivering babies in folklore? A. Crane. B. Pelican. C. Stork. Answer: C. Stork. Baby delivery service with wings. Question 11. What is the primary food of a koala? A. Pine needles. B. Eucalyptus leaves. C. Grass. Answer: B. Eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are picky eaters. Just eucalyptus, please. Question 12. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? A. Bat. B. Flying squirrel. C. Gliding lemur. Answer: A. Bat. Batman would be proud. Question 13. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Cheetah. C. Leopard. Answer: B. Cheetah. Blink and it's gone. Question 14. What is the smallest bird in the world? A. Hummingbird. B. Sparrow. C. B. Hummingbird. Answer: C. B. Hummingbird. Tiny but mighty in flight. Question 15. How many bones does a shark have? A. 0. B. 100. C. 50. Answer: A. 0. They're all cartilage, no bones about it. Question 16. Which mammal has the most powerful bite? A. Lion. B. Hippopotamus. C. Wolf. Answer: B. Hippopotamus. You definitely don't want to mess with that bite.
If you haven't already hit the like, next one, let's go.
Question 17. Which animal is known for carrying its young in a pouch? A. Kangaroo. B. Koala. C. Wombat. Answer: A. Kangaroo. Kangaroo moms have the best baby carriers. Question 18. Which bird is known for its vibrant tail feathers? A. Flamingo. B. Peacock. C. Parrot. Answer: B. Peacock, fashion icon of the bird world. Question 19. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years? A. Tortoise. B. Snail. C. Sloth. Answer: B. Snail. Talk about a serious nap. Question 20. What is the largest land carnivore? A. Lion. B. Grizzly bear. C. Polar bear. Answer: C. Polar bear. Polar bear can weigh up to 1,700 pounds. Big, white, and top of the Arctic food chain. Question 21. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? A. Parrot. B. Crow. C. Penguin. Answer: A. Parrot. Talk about a bird with conversation skills. Question 22. Which animal is the largest species of cat? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Leopard. Answer: B. Tiger. The tiger takes the crown with its massive size.
If you haven't already hit the like, next one, let's go.
Question 23. What is the only continent where giraffes are naturally found? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. South America. Answer: B. Africa. Tall, spotted, and roaming the savannas of Africa. Question 24. Which sea creature has the most arms? A. Starfish. B. Squid. C. Octopus. Answer: B. Squid. With 10 arms, it's the squid's claim to fame.
Last one, let's go!
Question 25. What kind of animal is a slow loris? A. Reptile. B. Mammal. C. Amphibian. Answer: B. Mammal. Slow and cute, but don't be fooled by its adorable appearance.
How did you do? Whether you nailed it or learned something new, there's always more to discover in the animal kingdom. Subscribe for more quizzes and test your knowledge on all things wild.